Elon, Elon, Elon. This guy is, very interesting. He keeps coming out with interesting news. Right now, he is basically protesting against California, and he's going to be fighting over. He basically wants to move his production facility out of California. I'm not like, as a business, it's probably not a wise choice. This is probably him being extremely emotional. I mean, yeah, he's probably pissed off because they can't reopen his factory, but removing your factory to another location could severely delay production because I just don't know. I just don't think he can move his production to another facility. It's the time and effort of relocating and setting up could take such a long time. And on top of that, I just watched this video. He's suing. He's calling for. I'm not a lawyer, but can shareholders file a class action lawsuit in 9 days? Tesla will be the last factory of all the car factories to open. We are clearly being disadvantaged. Absolutely, please do. You should not be. You should be allowed to recoup damages from the county. So yeah, this is a pretty big event and news, and I thought I'd make a video on it. So this video is going to be basically on how this would affect Tesla stock. I honestly don't think rich people are going to dump Tesla stock, but that's my opinion. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. So Tesla per year produces 367,500 cars. At least they produced that much cars in 2019. Maybe the Shanghai added a little bit to it, but Shanghai didn't really produce any cars till like I think December, and they weren't mass producing. So this is basically all California producing these cars, because I don't think the Gigafactory in Nevada produces any cars. I think their only purpose is to make batteries and solar panels. At least that's my opinion. I don't know if I don't know. I'm not a big enough expert on Tesla to say that the Gigafactory built cars, but I think the Fremont facility is their main facility that produces the cars, and the Gigafactory produces the batteries. That's what I think. I'm not 100% sure. So moving forward, so Tesla in China produces about 28 right at the current moment, at least according to Google. Tesla is producing about 28 cars an hour. In a 10-hour day, they produce about, I did the math already, so in 1 month, they produce about 7,840 cars. We can push that to 10,000 if you say put in efficiency into it. So 10,000 cars a month. So China will be producing maybe 30,000 cars, but United States for the month of April and May would be producing 0 cars because they're not opened yet. Well, I think it's limited, but right now he's trying to fight the state of California. So let's say if they did move, let's say if Tesla moved out of California into Nevada, that means that he won't be able to start up production until probably the end of June. So they would rely heavily on China's numbers alone for the current quarter. So if we look at the current quarter, Tesla produced a total of 102,000 cars, with the almost 103. With them not producing in the United States and in China, we could be seeing 30 to 40,000 cars, with deliveries of probably 30 to 40,000 cars. Hopefully, I don't know what delivery numbers, but I'm sure Tesla cars are in high demand. Should that not hurt Tesla stock? Shouldn't investors price that in? I just think that rich people don't want to sell off Tesla stock. They just want to hold it and they don't want to sell it. That's why the stock's not dropping, because in my opinion, Tesla stock should drop. Even Elon Musk said my price is too high. He's probably looking at his numbers, and he's probably not too happy with the production numbers and the delivery numbers right now. But rather, he's unsatisfied with the production numbers, and that's why he probably tweeted out my stock is too high. But shareholders don't want to sell off. But next earnings is going to be weird. They're gonna announce less numbers. They're gonna announce a negative impact to their net revenues. I seriously don't think they're gonna be flipping a profit next quarter. But is that enough to allow for rich shareholders to sell off the stock back to $350, maybe $400? I just don't know. I just don't think the rich investors are going to do that. If they do, that would be an opportunity of a lifetime. But will they? I don't know. Even with poor earnings report, well, I just don't think the stock price will drop. My opinion, we'll see. I mean, some people say that Tesla is a bubble. Even Elon Musk calls Tesla a bubble. And to me, the chart is telling me that, it should collapse, but it's not. It's just like floating up there around $800 to $700 and doesn't want to seem to drop. Maybe it will in next earnings report. I don't know at the end of the day what's going to happen, but like I said, stocks are worth as much as investors are willing to invest, and apparently there's a lot of investors that make Tesla $151 billion. So there are enough investors in Tesla to make up a market cap of $151 billion. That's insane to think about that, because there's just so much money in this world. But yeah, that's all I really have to say. I think finances are going to be terrible, like just terrible next quarter, and I'm just wondering if the stock price is gonna drop. I hope it does, so it gives me an opportunity to buy in, because I love to own a piece of that Tesla stock. But we'll see what happens. Since this is probably not a 10-minute video, I'm going to be playing this video of KFC in China. I thought it was interesting. I'm just gonna kill off some time with this. So yep. I decided to turn off the audio. I realized that I might get demonetized for the audio, so I turned it off. But I ran across this video, and it was pretty interesting. They're advertising it on Weibo, and they're saying, oh, look, the lineup out in the US, Beyond Fried Chicken. So obviously this has connections with China. KFC is launching Beyond Chicken in China. It's a big deal. It's a huge deal. I just came across this video, and it got 49 views, so that's pretty crazy. This was released on April 2020. That's hilarious. April 2020. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Oh my god, I almost made it a 10-minute video. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what else to talk about. We get to go look at Twitter. Let's see what Elon Musk has been tweeting in the past hour. Let's look. Getting back to work. Once again, I must recommend. I don't see anything about suing California. This is May 3rd. This should be like, right now it's like May 9th, so I don't know. Yeah, nothing on the Twitter page or anything, so oh well. Oh wait, maybe that's not even his right one, is it? Oh, it is. See what Cam Batley's up to. Nope, no tweet from Cam Batley. But anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.